Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and let's talk about something which everybody should remember. You dream, it's your dream, and your dream is your responsibility. सपना तुम्हारा है, उसकी इज्जत और उसको बचाना भी तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. Right? So the story goes about a boy whose name was Monty. Monty was a son of a horse trainer who will go from different cities, training different horses into different racetracks, into different ranches, feeding the horses, taking care of them. And obviously, because of this, Monty's education was interrupted continuously. When he became a senior, one day his teacher asked him, what would each student in the class like to become? And Monty thought very hard about it, and next morning he came with a 7-page dream of his that spoke about the architecture of a 200-acre horse ranch with a 4,000 square feet house overlooking the ranch. And Monty would draw every bit of it. And he presented it to the teacher with both the hands and said, "Ma'am, this is my dream. This is what I want to make." Next morning, Monty was asked to meet the teacher at the end of the class. He was handed over that 7-page booklet with a grade F on it, saying that with your background, with no finance available, with no stability in your life, this is all rubbish. This won't happen. Monty took the paper back and told his father. His father said, "Monty, you can decide on your own what you want to do out of what has happened to you, but the decision has to be taken today." Monty took 7 days to think, and at the end of 7 days he said, "Ma'am, thank you for the grade. The grade is mine, but I will still like to keep my dream." Spoke Monty to a group of students, telling them, "You are sitting in that house of 4,000 square feet, and in front of you is that 200-acre ranch. And on the wall is the painting I had drawn when I was a school kid." And Monty narrated the best part of the story. 2 summers ago, the same teacher came with a bunch of students, showing them that I accepted the grade with the dream. इतिहास गवाह है, बिना फेल हुए किसी ने इतिहास रचा ही नहीं है. Monty said, when the teacher was leaving, she made a statement. "Monty, I was a dream stealer, and I just wish everybody had guts the way you had to defend your dream. Because सपना तुम्हारा है, तो रक्षा भी तुम्हें करनी पड़ेगी. अगर काले बादल हैं, तो खुद जलकर रोशनी भी तुम्हें पैदा करनी पड़ेगी. अगर भगवान शिव के माथे तक पहुंचना है, तो भस्म होकर राख तुम्हें बनना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो You will live your life with a statement. काश मैं उस समय थोड़ी सी और हिम्मत करता तो आज मैं वो होता जो मैं बनना चाहता था. Thank you very much.